If you are too general on Instagram, then you will be lost on the platform. You need to be precise on Instagram so that you can reach your targeted audience. And there is no better way to do that than using hashtags, as they can take you to the Explore page and the top of the mentioned hashtags respective page. If you consider that a hashtag can have thousands of followers and individual posts over a month, it still stands as the best way to get in touch with your targeted audience without doing paid promotion. However, finding the right hashtags and the using frequency of them is a burden. There are some studies regarding how many hashtags you should use for a single post, and it seems that the sweet spot is 9 hashtags. However, as we mentioned earlier, even finding a unique appropriate hashtag can be a burden as there are tons of them. Some of them are restricted directly by Instagram. With our tag creator, it will be easier than ever for you to find hashtags related to the topics of weddings, funny stuff, babies, vacations, travels, etc.